Hey guys, welcome back. This channel is dedicated to all things personal finance, helping you earn more, spend less, and invest the difference. Now, if you're a veteran to this channel, then you know that most of my videos tend to deal with helping you achieve your long-term financial goals. I usually do not make videos about short-term stuff or promotional offers that different companies are running. But this particular offer was almost too good to be true, so I felt compelled to actually make a video about it. So the other day I was snooping around some of my accounts and I stumbled upon an offer that essentially made me $51 in 6 minutes. How do I know it was 6 minutes? Well, because I have the time-stamped emails to prove it. Now, like I said, this is a promotional offer, so I cannot guarantee that this offer will still exist by the time that you're watching it. But currently, this offer is still out there, and $51 in 6 minutes is pretty phenomenal. I mean, let's be real, it's gonna take you longer to watch this video than it is to actually go out and earn 51 bucks. So let's get straight into the good stuff. So this promotional offer is offered by Coinbase. It's a cryptocurrency brokerage account where you can buy and sell various cryptocurrencies. Now, some of you guys out there might be really excited at the thought of free crypto. Some of you guys might be rolling your eyes saying cryptocurrency is a scam. And some of you might not know what cryptocurrency is or have any idea what's going on with crypto. But honestly, it doesn't matter if you love crypto or hate crypto, if you understand it or don't understand it. The only thing that you have to know for the purpose of this video is that Coinbase is going to give you some free cryptocurrency, and there's people out there in the world that are willing to pay good, solid, cold, hard cash for this crypto. So if you don't want it, then sell it immediately after Coinbase gives it to you. I mean, it took me 6 minutes in order to get this free crypto, and I could have turned around and sold this stuff 30 seconds after they gave it to me and simply had $51 in cold, hard American dollars direct deposited into my bank account. So in that regards, if you decide to sell it immediately after you get it, it's essentially as good as cash. Now, this does mean that you need a Coinbase account, so if you don't already have a Coinbase account, then you'll have to create an account. Creating an account and setting everything up might take an extra 5 or 10 minutes on top of the 6 minutes to actually go through this step. So either way, maybe 10-15 minutes total for about 50 bucks. If you're new to Coinbase, I do have an affiliate link down below that you can use. They'll give you $10 in free Bitcoin if you buy at least $100 worth of cryptocurrency. Not required for the purpose of this video. You don't have to actually spend any money to do this. But if you decide to go this route, you can just simply buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. They'll give you $10 for free worth of Bitcoin, and then you can turn around and immediately sell it like 10 seconds after they give you the free Bitcoin and get $110, so you profit an extra 10 bucks. On top of the $51 that you're gonna get by doing this free technique that I'm gonna show you, that means you're gonna make about 61 bucks in a matter of minutes. Now, the one thing that I will say about creating a Coinbase account, if you don't already have one, is that this is a brokerage account, kind of like your stock brokerage account where you can buy and sell stocks. This is a brokerage account where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. Now, since these cryptocurrencies are treated more or less exactly like cash, there is some accounting and rules that Coinbase has to follow, both for the AML, the Anti-Money Laundering Act, as well as IRS tax guidelines. So they actually have to verify that you are who you say you are when you're creating this account. So they are gonna ask you for your social security number. It's one of the prerequisites to creating any of these types of accounts where you have the potential to send money or make money. But for anyone that might be a little bit hesitant to give out their social security number to different companies, this is a legitimate and trusted company. It's based right here in the United States, out in New York State. This company is audited and regulated, and they have some of the best cybersecurity measures in place to protect you and your identity and your cryptocurrency, your money. So this is a very safe company. It's just like dealing with a bank or a credit card or anybody like that. So giving out your social security number to create an account for this company should not be a deal breaker for you. So let's jump into my Coinbase account and I'll show you exactly how you're going to earn this money, and I'll even show you the timestamped emails to show you just how long, or in this case, how quickly I was able to earn this 51 bucks. All right, guys, so this is my Coinbase account. This is going to be the main page, the login page, once you have created your account. Now, as you can see, I recently sold all of my Ethereum and I have transferred it over to BlockFi. BlockFi is a company where you can earn interest on your cryptocurrency. So I will be earning about 5.25% interest on my Ethereum while I wait for it to go up in value, hopefully while I hodl. As you can see, I only have about $2,500 worth of stuff right now, which is all in USDC coins, which I will be transferring over to BlockFi as soon as my accounts settle and I'm able to transfer them. I'll be earning about 8.6% interest on my USDC coins. If you're interested in a BlockFi review video, leave a comment down below if that's something that interests you. So for this purpose of this video, when I logged into my Coinbase account, I noticed this earned rewards, get $171 plus. They've also got another little ad right down here. So essentially all you're gonna do is click on earn rewards, and they're gonna bring you to a second page where they're gonna have a series of a few different short little videos that you can watch. So this video is about 3 minutes long, and once you complete this particular node, this module, they will give you $3 of comp tokens. So this node gave me $10, and looks like most of these are 3, but there's a couple of different ones here as well. So you can earn some EOS tokens, you can earn some Stellar Lumens, $2 of Stellar Lumens for some of these videos. And I think they had Maker as well. So grand total with all of these different $2 and $3 tasks, you come up with about $51, I think was the grand total. And while the video says that it's 3 minutes long, you don't have to watch the whole 3 minutes. So let me click on one of these videos. So a little video is going to pop up and play. In this case, I do have the audio turned off. But I've already completed this task, so it doesn't show everything. Usually right down here where it says completed, you would see a single multiple choice question with 4 or 5 different answers, potential answers. And the question is actually talking about what they are going over in this video. So they'll give you the answer if you just listen to the video. But honestly, you don't have to sit there and wait for the whole video to play. You can start just simply randomly selecting answers. It does not matter if you get the answer wrong. If you get the answer wrong, they'll just ask you to try again. So literally just click on a different option until you randomly click and get the right one. So doing it this way, it takes, I don't know, 10 or 15 seconds in order to actually get the correct answer, and then they will give you this $3 of the comp token. All right, so then we'll just go back to your home page. I'm sorry, we'll go over to the portfolio page, and this is going to be all of your different assets. So as soon as they give you this comp token, it would show up here as $3 worth of comp. If you go through the whole thing, it might give you like, I don't know, 10 or 15, 20 bucks worth of comp. I forget what the math turns out to be. But essentially, you're going to get a couple of different tokens here. There's the compound token. I think we mentioned EOS. They're going to give you some of that. They're going to give you some Maker and one more. I forget which one it was. Oh yeah, Stellar. So they're going to give you a variety of these different coins. Now, obviously, you can keep these coins. These coins do fluctuate in value. So we can just click on, let's just say, compound coin. Here you can see that I actually earned all of these coins back on the 15th, like I said. But you can go through and look at the price of these coins. Now, obviously, the price varies over time as investors buy and sell these coins. This is over a 24-hour period, it looks like. So in my case, I was not interested in these compound coins. I just wanted to get rid of them as fast as I could. In my case, I actually do like cryptocurrency, so I converted all of these miscellaneous coins into Bitcoin, and then I transferred that Bitcoin over to BlockFi, where I can earn 6% interest on my Bitcoin while I hopefully wait for it to go up in value. But if you weren't interested in anything crypto related, if you just wanted to sell this stuff and get some cold hard cash direct deposited into your bank account, you could click on whatever coin it was. In my case, USDC coin is the only coin that I have, so for educational purposes, I'm clicking on that. And then you would just hit trade. In my case, you would hit sell and then sell all. Now, if you would hit the sell now button, that would actually execute this trade. There might be a small fee involved for some of these other coins. There is not for USDC coin. But you would just sell now, and that would give you some actual cold hard cash, US dollars, in your bank account. And then you can just simply withdraw these US dollars just like you would withdraw from a checking or savings account. You can transfer these dollars into your bank account. So that's it, guys. It's literally just a matter of watching a few short videos, or in this case, don't watch a few short videos. Just simply start randomly selecting your multiple choice answers. And if you get it wrong, just select a different answer until you do get it right. Going through these 4 promotional offers will net you about $51 in free cryptocurrency, and you can either keep it if you want to be a long-term investor, or you can convert it into coins that you're maybe a little bit more familiar with, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, some of the more traditional coins that you hear about instead of some of these smaller altcoins. Or you can just turn around and sell it immediately, have that money direct deposited straight into your bank account. Either way, it's a solid win for you, and it only takes about 5 or 10 minutes to go through this whole process. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below. As always, I love hearing from you guys, and I'll see you all again next time. Thanks.